Okay, so in this video we're going to demonstrate setting up Windows Server 2016 using VMware Workstation Pro 14. So we're going to open up VMware Workstation Pro and we will go and create a new virtual machine. We're going to do this as a typical virtual machine. And we need to browse and find the Windows Server 2016 ISO file, the disk image file. We're going to go ahead and click Next. We're not going to put our Windows product key in just yet. We do need to Windows 2016 Data Center. So we'll go ahead and put in our account name and password. We'll click Next. It's going to remind me I have not put in a Windows product key. I'm going to go ahead and continue with that. On the virtual machine name, I'm going to change this to Windows Server 2016. I'm doing that because we're going to sysprep this installation of Windows Server 2016, and then we are going to clone that multiple times and create multiple virtual machines from this one install. So I'll go ahead and click Next. I'm going to keep the hard disk space the same, and we'll go ahead and click Finish, and our install will start. Okay, so that's our install. We will come back, clone it multiple times, so we can actually use this one install to cover the 4 servers that we need.